Lawpay is a platform that you can online payment designed specifically for the legal industry. For over a decade, it has been a trusted solution for law firms to receive payments more securely and faster. But what sets Lawpay apart? It is compliance with ABA and IOLTA guidelines, ensuring that law firms handle transactions ethically and legally. Let's check how to log in Lawpay website. When open up your browser, type Lawpay login, then click the first website. After the loading website, we are seeing two options here. Login for Lawpay customers and Lawpay link. All you do have to do is just log into Lawpay section here. After that, type your email and type your password, then click sign in button.